Welcome to Wynn Public Schools online student enrollment tutorial. To enroll your student at Wynn Public Schools, navigate to the right-hand side of the screen and click Online Enrollment. On this page, you'll see all of the requirements for enrolling your child at Wynn Public Schools. There are two options, one for new students and one for returning or currently active students. Simply click the plus sign and you'll see all of the required documents for online registration. Please take time to complete and gather these documents before beginning the process. Documents in black can be gathered and photos taken of for upload. Documents in blue can be created online. Once all of the documents are complete, simply click New Student Registration to begin the process. On this page, parents will need to create an account. Simply click Create Account and fill out some important security information in order to proceed. Once you've filled out these sections, click the Comply with COPPA box and create an account to begin. After creating your account, click New Student Registration and sign in with the credentials you just created. For returning students, the process is even simpler. Parents should simply navigate to their child's school, click the plus sign, and fill out the forms that are specific to that building. Please note that each building has specific forms and parents will need to complete a returning student form for each child and their specific building. Once inside the forms, parents should complete all sections with a red asterisk. Parents can access the handbook by clicking here. They may then scroll down and acknowledge receipt of the handbook and the Title I compact by checking the boxes on the right. They should then sign and submit the document. You will repeat this process for each document inside the menu. Parents will then click Student Information Update and enter their SNAP code. Your student should have received a SNAP code with their beginning of the year information. Once you enter your SNAP code and click Continue, you will be able to update your forms. If you've already entered your SNAP code, you can continue your work by clicking Continue Your Work on the right. Parents should complete all of the beginning of the year forms for all students in each building. They will then click Sign and Submit. And once you have clicked Sign and Submit, the registration process is complete.